Zinus has reinvented the bed frame with this compact and easy-to-set-up base. Uniquely designed at 12 inches high for optimum support, durability, and plenty of under-bed storage space. This bed frame provides a sturdy foundation for box springs and mattress sets. Visionary design. The center bar support and 9-leg construction is unique to the compact bed frame and ensures superior stability. Low stress, easy assembly. The Zinus 12 inches compact bed frame assembles in a few simple steps. The 9 support legs are intelligently recessed for safety and help you avoid hitting your toes when making the bed. Bed frames are meant to be used with a box spring and mattress set. Worry-free 5 years limited warranty. Another comfort innovation from Zinus, pioneering comfort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Stability and support with 9 legs and center bar. Number 2. 12 inches high for plenty of underbed storage space. Number 3. Low stress, easy assembly, hassle-free. Number 4. Heavy-duty steel construction with an easy locking system. Number 5. Easily adjusts for twin, full, and queen size. Number 6. Easy and efficient universal sizing. Time to upgrade your bed size. Our compact bed lets you do it without the need for a new frame. Select from twin, full, or queen by simply sliding and securing the horizontal bars in the correct position. Number 7. Secure connections. Heavy-duty steel construction with an easy locking system gets this bed together in a snap. Number 8. Reliable construction. The center bar support and 9-leg construction ensure superior stability for a box spring and mattress. Number 9. Headboard adaptable. Brackets are included so you can add your headboard with ease. Number 10. As versatile as they come, fits any decor. This bed is as simple as it gets when it comes to frames, and you can even add your headboard with the included brackets. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.